I'm here to talk to you about 3D design. So 3D design is a subject which will allow you to explore a range of creative techniques and ideas. You'll be able to try techniques yourself and then take your project in your own direction. You'll be using different materials and mediums to be able to produce a theme or respond to a theme, and you'll be working on your ideas and continuing on working on these throughout the year. You'll be looking at art, craft and design studies. So, I'm just going to start with telling you that 3D design is part of the Art and Design GCSE. Because of this, you cannot pick 3D design GCSE alongside any of the following subjects because they're the same qualification. So textile design, fine art and photography. So just to be clear, you cannot pick 3D design and either textiles, fine art or photography because they're the same GCSE and you'll only end up with one at the end of it, okay? You can, however, pick food technology alongside this because it's a separate GCSE. So you are welcome to do food technology and 3D design. Both of those are absolutely fine. So, what is 3D design about? It's about responding to a theme which is given to you and trialling new things. It's about learning to become a confident designer and learning how to work with new materials to create something exciting. It's an ability to explore different areas of design which you could be interested in. It's learning how to use computer-aided design programs such as Illustrator or Photoshop, and it's responding to ideas and concepts as well. So, over the course you will study a load of different things. This is a list, but it's not exclusive, so you could study extra things or focus on some of these that particularly interest you. So you could look at architectural design, sculpture, product design, jewellery and body adornment, interior design, environmental or landscape or garden design, and designs for theatre, film and television. So you'll be looking at all of these through the year and kind of honing in on which one you're most interested in. So, for your exams, there are two main assessments. You have to complete both of these, they're called components. You must complete both of them to be able to get the full GCSE. So, component 1 is a portfolio. This will be a sustained project over the course of year 10, so you'll start it pretty much as soon as you begin and run that all the way through into year 11. You'll look at initial engagement with the theme and then realising your design ideas. This is worth 96 marks, it's worth 60% of your GCSE, and it's marked by your school, so we, the teachers, will mark it, and then it'll be moderated by AQA, who will come in externally and check our marking. Component 2 is an externally set assignment. So you'll respond to a chosen starting point that will be given to you by the exam board, and then you'll be able to develop your work and your ideas from this. You'll have a prep period in which you'll be working on your work, and then 10 hours of supervised time to be able to create your final outcome. This again is worth 96 marks, but it's just 40% of your GCSE this time. And again, this will be marked by your teachers in school and then moderated by AQA externally, so they'll check that we've given you fair marks. Why should you choose 3D design? If you're interested in the creation of good products and see the value in successful product design, if you're interested in exploring sustainability and thinking about how we can become socially and morally conscious designers, if you enjoy working with a range of materials including cardboard, metals, wood, pretty much anything around, and if you enjoy drawing, making links between your designs and other bits of work from other people, and looking at the work of other designers as well. So, why is 3D design relevant? 1 in 11 jobs in the UK are within the creative industries, so by taking a creative subject for GCSE, you're giving yourself a bit of a shoe-in already. Product design is literally everywhere, from the chair you're sitting on, the table you're sitting at, anything that you're using has been designed as a product. Every item that we use has been designed by someone, and you notice the good design, and you tend to notice the bad design as well. There will always be products to design and refine, so that it's going to be something that's going to be carrying on forever. May that be in different formats, but it will be there. And there are so many different avenues you can explore if you're interested in product design, so the sky really is the limit. Careers the subject could lead to include working in television and theatre, working for yourself, so being self-employed as a designer or a carpenter, working for retail stores or high-end designers, working in commercial industries such as hospitality or the motor industries, working in technology companies, working in schools, colleges or universities, and any job which requires you to have creative problem thinking skills, analysing issues, designing, thinking about how you can make things better. All of those skills are things that you will learn within 3D design. So, before you choose 3D design, there are 5 questions which I'd like you to ask yourself. If you can answer 100% yes to all of them, you'll absolutely love it and this is the GCSE for you. If you're not sure on some of them, it might be worth having a conversation with one of your teachers so that we can advise you further. So, are you willing to dedicate at least 3 hours per week outside of the classroom on your work? So 3 hours extra per week. Are you passionate about good design? Do you enjoy working with different materials and different mediums, so paint, watercolour, whatever is around you? Do you consider yourself to be a creative person? And do you view mistakes as creative opportunities rather than failures? If you say yes to all of them, this is the subject for you. And finally, I went and spoke to some of our current year 10s who are studying 3D design and asked them why they enjoyed it or why they thought you should take it. And they said, because you get to explore your ideas and turn it into reality, because it teaches you good time management skills, and because it's interesting to learn about different types of materials and to use them to create new products. Thank you so much. If you've got any questions, please do feel free to email me or get in contact with me and I can answer anything that you need to know. Bye.